Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's introduce myself. My name is Aurelio Galeado Putra. Name 19200 2424. Class 19 to C 25. Study program in Information System. Kampus UBSI Cengkareng. Here I will explain malicious program and hardware. What is malware? Malware is malicious software designed to damage or exploit a computer system, network, or user. Malware can enter a system without the user's permission and cause various damage, such as stealing personal data, corrupting files, or crashing the device unauthorized. Malware can spread through various means such as phishing emails, software download, or malicious website. Purpose of malware: 1. Stealing personal data, such as credit card information, password, and other sensitive data. 2. Damaging the system, destroying or changing important data, causing damage to hardware or software. 3. Unauthorized device access, giving third parties access to control the device without permission. 4. Spreading to other device, using one infected device to spread to other device on the network. Types of malware, virus, and worms. 1. Virus: a malicious program that attaches itself to other files and spread when those files are opened. Virus can corrupt data and slow down system performance. 2. Worm: a program that copies itself and spreads through a network without requiring a host file. Worms can cause network to become slow and unstable. Types of malware: Trojan horse and ransomware. Trojan horse: malware that masquerades as a legitimate looking program or file. Once executed, a Trojan can provide unauthorized access to a system and steal data. Ransomware: malware that encrypts user data and demands a ransom to decrypt it. Users cannot access their data until the ransom is paid. Types of malware, Trojan, and ransomware. Adware: program that display unwanted advertisements and often interface with the user experience. Spyware: program that monitor user activity and send personal information to third parties without the user's permission. Loggage bomb. Malicious code that is active by certain conditions such as certain date or a certain user action. Rootkit. A program that hides its presence and provides unauthorized access to the system by modifying the operating system. Certain conditions, such as a certain date or certain user action. Keylogger, a, a program that records every keystroke a user makes to steal sensitive information such as password and credit card number. Backdoor, a backdoor that allows unauthorized access to a system, often used by hackers to control device remotely. Impact of malware. Data loss. Malware can corrupt or delete important files, causing irrecoverable data loss. Loss of control. Malware can provide unauthorized access to the system, allowing third parties to control the device without permission. Reputational damage. Malware infection can damage an individual or organization's reputation, especially if sensitive data is leaked. Financial loss. Malware such as ransomware can demand high ransom, causing significant financial loss. How to prevent malware? Install antivirus software. Use a trust antivirus program to detect and remove threats. Secure mobile device. End device encryption and use a strong PIN or biometric lock. Backup data. Regularly backup important data to recover from potential attacks. How to remove malware? Use antivirus software. Run a full scan to detect and remove malware from your system. Use dedicated malware removal tool. Tool like Malwarebytes can help remove malware that regular antivirus software doesn't detect. Reset your system to factory setting. If the malware infection is severe, restoring your system to factory setting can wipe out all data and malware. Thank you. I will explain the explanation about hardware. Understanding hardware. Hardware is an essential component in the operation of a computer. Without the right hardware, software will not have a platform to run and perform its tasks. Type of hardware. Processing data or information. computer hardware is used to process data and run process on the computer system. Receiving input. Hardware receives data from users through input. Storing information or data. Hardware is used to store information and data, including output generated by the computer. Hardware function. The function of hardware is to run process and perform certain tasks such as 1. Input, receiving data from user. 2. Processing data into information. 3. Storage, storing data and programs. 4. Output, displaying the results of data processing. The role of hardware in computer system. The function of hardware is to run, process, and perform certain tasks such as 1. Executing instructions and tasks. 2. Storing data and programs. 3. Displaying data processing results. 4. Hardware allows computer to function properly and efficiently. Hardware specification. Processor speed indicates how to fast the processor performs its task. RAM capacity determines how much data can be processed simultaneously. Graphic card GPU determines the quality of visual display on the screen. The importance of choosing the right hardware. Choosing the right hardware is very important in building a good computer system. The right hardware can improve the performance and efficiency of the computer system. Hardware example. 1. Keyboard for data input. 2. Mouse for navigation and interaction. 3. Hard disk for storing data and programs. 4. Monitor for displaying data processing results. Conclusion. In conclusion, hardware is a physical component of a computer that is very important in running a computer system. Thank you.